Before you decide to switch to Windows 11, you need to check if your device is compatible with the new operating system and what are the minimum requirements. In this section, I will show you how to do that using 3 different tools. The first tool is the official PC Health Check app from Microsoft. This app will tell you if your device meets the system requirements for Windows 11 and if it is eligible for a free upgrade. To use this app, you need to download and install it from here. Then, open the app and click on Check Now under the Introducing Windows 11 section. The app will scan your device and show you a message saying either this PC can run Windows 11 or this PC can't run Windows 11. If your device can run Windows 11, you can also see more details about the system requirements by clicking on See All Results. The second tool is the Windows 11 Compatibility Check, which is a batch file that you can download from GitHub here. This tool will run inside an administrative command prompt or PowerShell window and check each of the system requirements for Windows 11 individually. It will show you a list of which requirements your device does and does not meet, such as processor, memory, storage, TPM, secure boot, graphics card, and display resolution. This tool is useful if you want to know exactly why your device is or is not compatible with Windows 11. The third tool is the Windows 11 Compatibility Tool, which is a third-party app that you can download from TechSpot here. This app is similar to the PC Health Check app, but it also shows you some additional information, such as your BIOS mode, DirectX version, and WDDM driver version. It also has a more user-friendly interface and allows you to export the results as a text file. These are the 3 tools that you can use to check if your device is compatible with Windows 11 and what are the minimum requirements. The minimum requirements for Windows 11 are processor, 1 GHz, or faster with 2 or more cores on a compatible 64-bit processor or system on a chip, SoC. Memory, 4 GB RAM. Storage, 64 GB or larger storage device. System firmware, UEFI, secure boot capable. TPM, Trusted Platform Module, TPM, version 2.0. Graphics card, compatible with DirectX 12 or later with WDDM 2.0 driver. Display resolution, high definition, 720p, display that is greater than 9" diagonally 8 bits per color channel. Internet connection, Microsoft account and internet connectivity required for setup for Windows 11 Home and for Windows 11 Pro for personal use. If your device meets these requirements, you can proceed to the next section where I will show you how to avoid Windows 10 22H2 update or switch to Windows 11 without losing your data. Before you upgrade or downgrade your Windows version, it is important to back up your data and settings so that you can restore them if something goes wrong. Here are the steps to do that using the built-in tools in Windows 10. First, you need to sign in with a Microsoft account. This will allow you to sync your apps, settings, preferences, passwords, and language options with your account. To sign in with a Microsoft account, go to Start Settings Accounts Your Info and select Sign in with a Microsoft account instead. If you see Sign in with a local account instead, you are already using a Microsoft account. Next, you need to back up your apps using Windows Backup. This will help you quickly restore your apps on a new device or after changing your Windows version. To back up your apps, go to Start Settings Accounts Windows Backup and turn on Remember My Apps. Then, you need to back up your settings and preferences using Windows Backup. This includes things like File Explorer settings, notification preferences, and device settings for printers and mouse options. To back up your settings and preferences, go to Start Settings Accounts Windows Backup and turn on Remember My Preferences. You can also choose which settings you want to back up. After that, you need to back up your files and photos using OneDrive. OneDrive is a cloud storage service that comes with your Microsoft account. It lets you sync files between your PC and the cloud so that they are backed up and protected. To back up your files and photos with OneDrive, go to Start Settings Accounts OneDrive and turn on Sync Files with OneDrive. You can also choose which folders you want to sync. Finally, you need to sync your Microsoft Edge preferences using Microsoft Edge. This will help you browse the web from any device and keep your favorites organized. To sync your Microsoft Edge preferences, open Microsoft Edge and sign in with your Microsoft account. Then, go to Settings, Profiles, Sync and turn on Sync Everything or choose what you want to sync. You have now backed up your data and settings before upgrading or downgrading your Windows version. You can restore them by signing in with the same Microsoft account on the new device or Windows version and following the same steps. If you are using Windows 10 and you want to avoid the Windows 10 22H2 update or switch to Windows 11 without losing your data, you can use the Windows Update settings to pause or defer the feature update. Here's how to do it. Open Settings and click on Update and Security. Click on Windows Update and then click on Advanced Options. Under Choose when updates are installed, you can select the service channel and the deferral period for feature updates. For example, if you want to stay on Windows 10, you can select Semi-Annual Channel and defer feature updates for up to 365 days. If you want to switch to Windows 11, you can select General Availability Channel and defer feature updates for 0 days. Under Pause Updates, you can also temporarily pause all updates for up to 35 days. This will prevent any feature or quality updates from being installed on your device until the pause period expires or you resume updates manually. By using these settings, you can control when and how your device receives feature updates and avoid any unwanted changes or data loss.